Hello and welcome back to this channel. As a business owner or for your brand, it's a good idea to have a YouTube channel, and even better to have professional intros and outros and design for your YouTube channel to make it look more professional. So in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make a YouTube intro using Canva. And Canva is a free tool available for everyone. So this is the intro that I'm gonna make today. So that's the exact intro I'm gonna make now, and I will show you how I did it. Okay, so I'm now in Canva. So here in the search field, I will put YouTube video to make sure I get the correct dimension, 1920 1080. That's correct. And then you can see you will have a lot of different templates also. Maybe some of this you can select and create your intro based on that. But for this I want to create a blank to make my own design. So I want to add a video background for this. You can see I will select free here, because you may or may not have the pro version, so I will select free video, so it's the videos you actually want to see. Aerial short, backgrounds, business, cities, fashion. You can find so many video clips. So for my intro I want to find something beachy, so I will search for that. So many nice things, but let me see. We'll select this one. Then I see this clip is 11.6 seconds, so that's a bit long. So to adjust that, you just drag that arrow. I will put it to 7.5 seconds. Then I want to find my logo. It's saved in a folder with transparent background, so I add that here. And I use that purple line to see when it's centered. You can just simply drag it wherever you want it. And then I also want to add some fun elements for this. So I previously seen a nice Sri Lanka map that I want to find. There it is. Crop it a bit. And up here I can change the color of it. And here, this is the same color as the logo. And then I want some other text also. I wanted to say travel big, maybe 70. And then I can simply duplicate it. We will change travel in there. And I want some other elements. I want to show our YouTube, simple one like this. One. And for this I will select them and select position and space evenly vertically. Here you can also animate. That's a cool effect. You could do something like that, or this, fade. This one I want to try a little bit crazy, so I try the tumble where they keep falling in. Okay, that's it. Let's play and see. Then I download it as an MP4 high quality video and download. So, okay, now I'm ready to edit my video. So I'm using iMovie, which is a free software for Mac users. Maybe you're using something else, but the process will be the same. So this video is clips of me talking, blah, blah, blah. But in the beginning, I'm introducing the video. So I want to put my new intro just here, just after a short 11-second introduction and before the rest of the video. So in iMovie it's really simple. Here is the intro I made in Canva. So I simply drag it and position it there. Yep. So now it's already there. Free tool Canva. Yes, but I want to add some music also. So I have downloaded a file from the YouTube Studio. So I will put that here and then make it shorter. But I actually wanted to start just before the intro and just end after the intro. Up here you can scale it a bit so it's easier to see. So like that. Yeah, trim in and trim out. Like that. Yes, let's hear how it's going. YouTube Shorts using the free tool Canva. So some of you have probably already discovered that YouTube Shorts is really nice and effective. So that was good. That's simply how to do it. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Please give a thumbs up if it was, and you can also subscribe to the channel if you want more. And I just want to tell you also we have a Facebook group that you can join, so hope to see you there, and bye bye.